I don't want to take the name because it's not I'm scared, but I don't want to take the name. I'm not jealous.
They called him toxic, too aggressive, too dangerous for Indian cinema. But one thing they forgot, art doesn't need permission.
This is the untold story of Sandeep Reddy Vanga, a man who turned rejection into revolution.
Long before the world knew his name, Sandeep was just another student studying physiotherapy. But something in him didn't settle. He didn't want to fix bones. He wanted to break rules. So he packed his bags and flew to Australia, not for a job, but to chase a dream. There he studied filmmaking, and that's where the fire really began. He came back to India, script in hand, passion in his eyes. And doors, they all slammed shut. Producers said no, studios said no. Dreams were slipping through his fingers. Until one family said yes, his own. His brother stood by him. They sold land, took risks, and produced a film no one believed in. Arjun Reddy. It wasn't just a hit. It was a cultural earthquake. Young people saw themselves in it. Arjun Reddy became a phenomenon. Then came the Hindi remake, Kabir Singh. Critics tore it apart, but audiences, they made it a blockbuster.
आज फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने देखा थिएटर में घुसने के लिए इतनी लंबी लाइन है. आज तक कभी नहीं देखी इतनी लंबी लाइन.
Sandeep Reddy Vanga had arrived, and how? Here's what makes him different. He doesn't act even off camera. No filters, no sugarcoating, just the truth. That honesty got him fans and haters. But he never played it safe. Because for Sandeep, cinema isn't about being liked, it's about being real. Judge the art, not the artist. And then came Animal.
मैंने बोला था ना ज्योति, क्रिमिनल है हमारा.
A wild, violent love story with Ranbir Kapoor like you've never seen him. Another monster hit. Now he's working on something even bigger.
I'll show them what violent film will be in the next.
Sandeep, surely.
A film called Spirit starring Prabhas. But wait, there's a rumor, it's a wild one, that the villain could be South Korean actor Don Lee. Imagine that face-off. Prabhas versus Don Lee in Sandeep Vanga's world of chaos and emotion.
पापा चिल्लाओ मत, बहरा नहीं हूं मैं.
From rejection to revolution. From a physiotherapy student to one of India's most fearless directors. This is Sandeep Reddy Vanga, and his story is just getting started. Would you like to see Prabhas versus Don Lee in Spirit? Let us know in the comments, and hit that like button if you believe in raw, unapologetic storytelling.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you all.